Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Rumana. Today I will be taking you on a bus ride. Oh, you guys must be thinking, where is she going on a bus? I'm going to go today to do my vegetable shopping, जो कि सिटी सेंटर में है. एंड आई वुड बी शोइंग यू कि मैं कौन सी बस लेती हूँ और कौन से स्टॉप से लेती हूँ, बिकॉज ट्रैवलिंग इन कॉवेंट्री by bus is so convenient. Once you start traveling by bus, you will never feel like going by taxi or a car anywhere. Whenever my husband is not with me, I always prefer to go by bus. So I usually make a monthly passes, which is cheaper for me because I travel a lot. I go on everywhere. जब भी मेरे पास टाइम होता है तो मैं 1-2-3 बस ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ती हूँ, इधर उधर घूमती रहती हूँ. तो I really love doing that. इसीलिए मैं I prefer bus. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं कभी इंडिया में बस में ट्रैवल नहीं की हूँ, बट आफ्टर मूविंग टू कॉवेंट्री आई रियली लव ट्रैवलिंग बाय बस हियर. तो जो भी है, ओके, टुडे मैं है ना आपको जहाँ से मैं वेजिटेबल शॉपिंग करती हूँ वो दिखाऊंगी, क्योंकि ये यूरोप का वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट वेजिटेबल मार्केट है. इट्स अ प्लेस फॉर इंडियंस where you can buy all kind of groceries, because the people like us who stay away from home, from India, and you miss your ingredients, you miss the vegetables, oh ye hota to khate. But after coming to Coventry, I never felt that way, क्योंकि यहाँ पे you name it, you find everything. हर टाइप की वेजिटेबल्स मिलती है, हर चीज़ मिलती है. तो इसी के साथ मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगी कि मैं क्या क्या लेती हूँ और मैं कौन से स्टॉल से लेती हूँ. और फिर हमने इस सैटरडे ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग नहीं की थी क्योंकि थोड़े से बिजी थे, इसीलिए. तो आज मुझे मिल्क, ब्रेड सब लेना होगा. तो चलिए हम अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं. चलिए आज मैं आपको अपना बस राइड दिखाऊंगी. तो अब हम चलते हैं. मैं अपना ट्रॉली ले लेती हूँ, जो है जिसके साथ मैं सारे वेजिटेबल्स फिल करके लाती हूँ, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. उससे क्या होता है, यू हैव ऑल योर वेजिटेबल्स इन वन थिंग एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू ड्रैग इट. आई क्लोज द डोर. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं बस स्टॉप के लिए. अभी हम मेन रोड पे आ गए हैं. नाउ आई विल जस्ट क्रॉस द रोड एंड देन गो टू द बस स्टॉप. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी जाऊंगी ताकि बस ना आ जाए. ये रहा सामने मेरा बस स्टॉप. अब मैं यहाँ पे बस का वेट करूँगी, जो कि यहाँ पे आपको 16 भी मिलेगी या फिर 16A भी मिलेगी, जो आपको डायरेक्टली सिटी सेंटर ड्रॉप करेगी. ये रहा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वेट फॉर द बस. आई एम वेटिंग ऑन अ बस स्टॉप. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द बस टू कम. अभी तक बस तो दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, बट इट विल कम सून. There we go. Here our bus comes. आज मुझे 16A मिली है. I'm getting in the bus. Thank you. This is how the bus looks. Oh, we have arrived. Thank you so much. Now we have arrived. Now we would be going towards city center. I just want to say, oh, she's gone. This couple, I met them in bus. I'm just walking towards city center now. Now I'm walking towards Coventry City Market. Before I start shopping, I just want to have something, here. This is one of the best place to find chicken and mushroom slice, which will be very yummy and very tasty. जैसे जिस दिन से मैं यहाँ पे खाने लगी हूँ, I never like anywhere else. So this is my another favorite place in city center. So let's go in. Hiya, can I have one chicken and mushroom slice, please? This is how this chicken and mushroom slice looks. Now before I go to Coventry City Market, I will just go to the Poundland because there are a few things which I have to buy there. I have to buy, I totally forgot now. I really have to buy food for Ginger. Ginger is our friendly neighborhood cat. We give her food every day. Today morning I was out of food and she came to my door and went just like that. I felt so bad. Now I'm getting inside the Poundland. These are the fruits. I'll take one of them. Now I am in billing queue. These are the things I got it now. So now I am in a billing queue. Now I'm going inside the Coventry Market. go in. You'll find everything here, from flour to clothes to vegetables to non-veg, like everything. And all these people are local here. This is the place I'll be buying apple, orange, banana, and then from here I'll move to the others. In this place I'll be buying my vegetables today. He always have fresh and nice vegetables.
How much this one?
I took all the vegetables, जो भी green leafy vegetable भी चाहिए था वो भी ले लिया. Now I have come all this way and I'll go and buy some chicken also. I'll show you from which place I buy chicken. This is the place where I buy chicken every time. They'll have fresh chicken. वो मेरा friend है who's waving. He always gives me a nice chicken whenever I want. This is the baby chicken which I usually buy, and this is the person who gives me always. Hello बोलिए. मुझे 2 बेबी चिकन दीजिएगा small pieces में. हाँ. I took the chicken and paid him the money. These people are fasting today and they are so happy. Why are you so happy today? बताइए.
Fasting, you know, every Muslim people have the Ramzan.
Ah, happy Ramzan. Now I finish shopping chicken, and this place you can even buy some fresh fish. But today I'm not in a mood to buy fish, so I'll come back maybe next week. Now I have to buy a milk, bread, so now I would be going to different place, which is there is Iceland very nearby here, so I might go there. This is the small eatery here where they serve nice breakfast, English breakfast and whole day tea. Now this is the another entrance of Coventry City Market. आप यहाँ से भी इसको Coventry Market को जा सकते हैं. Now I will go to Iceland, buy milk, bread, and वहाँ पे onion अच्छा नहीं था तो I will see if they have onion also here. I'll buy onion also. This is a very nice place to shop anything frozen. They have all kind of frozen items which last for long and it's really good. This is how this Coventry, Iceland looks. I've shopped a lot from Iceland also. It has become too heavy now to carry. The bags are like too heavy. Now I don't think so I can shop anymore now. I just have to go to Boots. I have some work there. I'll just go to the Boots and then go home. Okay, it's the end of today. I did shopping Now I'm going home, waiting for the bus to come. I think my bus has come. It's at 16A. Yes, the bus has come. So guys, I would be. So the bus has come now. Okay guys, I had a wonderful long day today. I just came home back. I'm done for today. I hope you guys like my video. I hope it helps you people in any way. So please do leave me a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like to my channel, share my channel, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. तो ओके गाइस, अभी मैं साइन ऑफ करती हूँ. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy, and thanks for watching my video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.